Day 18 of learning German without memorizing words. Welcome to the dative parking spot, the rule that completely flips your noun genders backwards. In English, locations are effortless. I am in the kitchen. But in German, whenever an object is sitting completely still, it enters the dative zone, and the articles pay a parking tax. The dative parking spot forces a literal gender bend. It takes the feminine article die and turns it into der. To think like a German, mutate your English. I am in der kitchen. Look at real German. Ich bin in der Küche. A kitchen is normally feminine, die Küche. But because you are parked inside it, it morphs into der. It's not random, it's just parking rules. Stop memorizing massive charts. Just look at whether the noun is moving or parked. Hit follow for day 19, where the accusative attack and the dative parking spot face off in a single sentence.